infamously once said by Caswell Sr., aka Casanova. He said it's on the Breakfast Club. He said, man, you think somebody ain't gonna tell if they're a millionaire and they're facing 20 years? Man, they gonna tell, and they gonna be able to come back and be a rapper. Now, he was actually referring to 6ix9ine. He was predicting that 6ix9ine was gonna be able to cooperate and come back to hip hop. In some ways, you could say he kind of did that. Now, when it came to Casanova, who called a Rico, he's faced with the same dilemma. Casanova probably got $1 million, right? And he is being hit with a RICO charge. He has such a lengthy rap sheet, he's facing between 5 and 60. Some people think he might get 20 to 30. Will he tell? Now, he didn't tell. He actually took a plea of guilty and he's hoping for a lenient sentencing. However, two things that's very important. Number one, somebody told on him. Okay, so in his own gang was a cooperator who's just like 6ix9ine. According to Rolling Stone, right, one of the reasons why Casanova pled guilty, it quotes here from Rolling Stones, one cooperator told the feds that Senior, which is Caswell Senior, aka Casanova, accidentally fired a gun at a poker game. A witness told authorities they saw Senior receive large shipments, quantities of marijuana. Also, Senior fired a gun during a gambling dispute. Sounds like a lot of people telling on him. Listen, here's the thing. Gorilla Stone members saw him and his rap career as a way to make money and increase their status among other blood sects. What does that mean? Clearly just means Caswell Sr., a.k.a. Casanova, he went out the honorable way. But not everybody associated with him did the same. People told on him. And when people are telling on you, you gotta fold, okay? They're basically helping the cops. They're giving the cops a better and better case. You're not taking a trial, and that's exactly what he did. Okay, now, 6ix9ine, who's now reminiscing on the situation and reminiscing on his guilty plea, decided to, I don't know if whether it's troll him or poke fun at the street code when he tagged his wifey and said, if you ain't already, let's see how you holding this black king down. For all rappers, make sure y'all keep bro name alive and feed his family for the next decade, right? Now, again, I ain't no street dude, but I wonder, what loyalty do you owe people when people don't owe you any? Because again, Casanova, because he doesn't want to be seen as a snitch or whatever the case is. And also, here's a moral dilemma too. If you did the crime, why be the sucker to tell on other people? So I understand out of morality why snitching is really wrong. But you get to realize everybody's breaking these moral codes. Whether it's the moral codes of just being humans, because they obviously always disrespecting other people, killing other people, shooting at other people, selling drugs. But when you get locked up with them, there's somebody snitching on Cass. Okay?